are, mateys. It's hot outside. It's summer. I don't want to heat up the cabin cooking. I don't really feel like going out grilling either. So this year I bought a small slow cooker. I'm going to make a dish today. Slow cooked barbecue chicken with potatoes and celery. Here's all we're going to need. Now this dish is just so simple. I've cut up some celery, toss that in. I've got some garlic in a chicken cube. I'm going to add 1 cup of, not quite a cup of water. I've cut up a potato already. Then I've got my chicken thighs that I'm gonna, thighs that I'm using, and a little bit of barbecue spice. Just pop that all in there. I'm going to turn this on high to start with for a couple hours. And where did I put my lid? Oh. Put the lid on it. Now it's about 12:30 and I want to eat around 6. Probably about 2 I'll put this on low. I'll see you guys back in a few hours. Well, mateys, it's almost 5 o'clock. Time to see how this little chicken dish turned out. Oh, does that smell good. Oh, this is going to be nice. There's one chicken thigh. There's the second. Our potatoes. Now I guess what we could do with this too is we could take this broth that's in here. I'm going to save that and I'm going to use that as a chicken base on my next dish. But there we are, guys. That looks good. And I didn't heat the cabin up, and it wasn't a lot of prep work. So until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends. And bon appetit.